So BRE is almost 100 years old, and it occupies now a unique space between academia, policymakers in government, and the industry as a whole. If we're going to create standards and schemes which people are going to have confidence in, we need to make sure the standards we create are independent of any bias, but also they're underpinned by science. That's one of the unique features about BRE. We have scientists and professionals who want to drive the industry to improve. We're independent in our approach, and we actually underpin the work we do in science.
We support stakeholders from initial prototype research to testing and ultimately certification. One area we believe requires increased common understanding and in-time standardization is internal environments.
IWBI has commissioned BRE to do some practical research to look at the next generation of handheld monitors, of modelling techniques, of calculation techniques. In order to do that, we'll use a bespoke environmental chamber here at BRE. We can control things like temperature, humidity and ventilation rate, and we can introduce known amounts of several different VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. We can then test existing methodologies against the new monitors to that atmosphere of VOCs and look at the performance. A very important aspect of indoor environments when we look at our health and well-being is circadian lighting. So moving to our test room at BRE, we'll take a whole range of lighting measurements using commercially available lux meters. We'll be looking at the sensitivity of measurement location, but more importantly we'll be looking at how the data is then used to assess circadian lighting using the latest calculation and software modelling techniques. Finally, we'll move to an open plan office here at BRE. Here we'll compare the standard methodologies and instrumentation used to look at VOCs and particulate matter in air and compare that to the new monitors that are available on the market. In doing this, we'll look at both the accuracy of these meters but also any spatial or temporal variabilities.
To make change happen, it's important that like-minded organisations come together, sharing their knowledge, working together to make sure they give a strong message to market. And that's what's happening with IWBI and BRE. Two organisations working together, sharing knowledge, reinforcing their strengths, makes a much stronger message and actually drives change much, much quicker.